Welcome to a day in the life of, I guess, a weekend, or what a weekday would look like now that things are different. You excited? Walk done. Most painful experience I've had to do in a really long time. Got to throw their poop away. And now we go for a run. A very short run, because I'm just getting over being sick. Might not even make the full run, but we'll try. And then do a little quick circuit, shower, get on with our day. Let's go. Half a mile done. Yay. 1 mile done. Now for a little workout circuit. We're gonna do squats, lunges, calf raises, and then my first half, my ab routine, I'll do the rest tonight. Whew. I'd like to believe that I almost beat my record. My record is just so good. From when I was in middle school. I'll never do that again. Oh well, here we go. Okay, see, quick, easy, little workout, keeps you going, keeps you fit. Now, let's go drink my shake, take a shower. So, we're gonna take a shower first, because my dad's not here to talk to right now. I think he's getting ready for the day. Oh my gosh. We're gonna go Kempe's today. Shorts, sweatshirt. I couldn't find my socks, so we're my brother's, which means it's probably time to do laundry. And it means you guys are coming along with it. Hate me, love me, I cannot unpack the bags I travel with because I'm just too scared I'm gonna go on another trip pretty soon. And I am. There's no point in me unpacking my bags because my suitcase is full of all clean clothes because we were in Austin for all of maybe 12 hours, 24 hours. And my backpack is full of all my extra hair care travel stuff. So I really don't need to unpack. I don't know, gotta text Tony. I'm gonna go do that today too. Now they're flying home from LA. My flight's delayed. I'm gonna text them tomorrow when they have rest. Okay, the shower is done. I'm gonna go drink my shake and then we'll probably do some work and then do some laundry.
Syndergaard, first career home run, exit velocity 114.8. So you can get.
Okay, just to update you, I just cleaned my room because remember how I was saying, like, I gotta unpack my bags, like I'm leaving for another trip. Yeah, I unpacked my suitcase because I couldn't just watch my clothes sit in there. Anyhow, now we're focusing on downstairs. I just did a load of laundry, so I'm waiting for that to be done. My brother's supposed to be helping because this is his job, take out the trash. I'm cleaning up the kitchen the living room, dining room area. I'm about to vacuum, fun stuff. And then, ooh, my Lavelle. Ooh, I'm like not tall enough for this. Okay, I have to get all my computer and music stuff upstairs. So both my computers have to go upstairs. My music stuff, basically like this is not all mine. It's just stuff that has to be put away. And then stuff on the stairs. Ooh. This is our next little project. Yeah, we gotta get all the boxes in the garage. Yeah, and then all like the tools up there. That's my dad's deal. No idea. And then we'll vacuum. Okay, got all the boxes out here. Since I'm out here, I'm gonna clean my car out. I'm sick and tired of it. And I haven't been in my car in like a week and a half, to be honest. Well, I've been sick. Plus, I've had nowhere to go. So, I'm gonna clean my car out because it needs it. So let's get to it. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I've done so far, and then I'm gonna head out back and do something for my dad before I vacuum. So, front room, clean, except for I don't know what to do with the fence stain. Probably put it in the garage. I don't know what to do with that other one. Anyways, kitchen, all clean, just have to put this stuff away. And then everything else is clean. I just have to make the couch look fresh. Really, truly, like, that's it. And then vacuum. Now, here's the project that I'm not supposed to do until my dad gets home. I'm gonna do it anyways, because I want my dad to have a nice, relaxing day. Move both grills into the garage. Leave the new one here. So then we can have a nice back patio again. So, here's the project. I swear I would never show this, but let's go get the garbage can. I could be getting a tan right now, but I'm just gonna decide to sweat. Yay. I don't really want to, but I don't want to go change. Like, I'm in such a mood to clean that if I go do anything but clean, I'm not gonna want to do. No flipping way, this is one of the rugs we have to throw away. Guys, I'm in a cleaning mood, and if I get out of the cleaning mood, I'm not gonna clean. So, let's go back to cleaning. Psych, this is the one part I will video because I'm so freaking disgusted that I have to do this. Two things. There's so many drinks in this cooler that I'm gonna have to lift it up, dump it out, and I'm not strong enough to do that by myself. And I know my brother's playing video games right now and won't want to come help me. So we're gonna start with the grill. Oh my gosh, I need chemicals. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go dump Windex or bleach. Bleach. That's gonna be the cure. Kill some icky bugs. I feel so mean, but I gotta get rid of them or else they'll keep coming back. Let's do it. Okay, I used Clorox, like bleach, which is really bad. And now I have to fucking spray the patio. Okay, I love my dad, but I'm gonna leave the bugs to them. I tried to do something nice. I did something nice. We're done doing something nice. We're gonna vacuum and then be done. Okay, I just finished cleaning the inside and vacuuming, and it looks so pretty, minus my stuff. And then minus the trash my brother has to take out, but everything's good. I mean, I'm gonna make muffins and make more of a mess, but yeah. So, I don't know what else there is to do for cleaning, but we're on to the next thing that I'll show you about my day. Okay, here's the fit for today until we go swimming later. More laundry! Yay! Starbucks and PetSmart. He wants a fish. So I told him, no, there's intermediate down there. They glow.
No, raise it like...
That's an advanced fish.
You might get hurt. So are you okay?
Ew, Luna, don't eat that. Yummy dinner. Yummy.
Do you want to do these on the griddle, or do you want to do them where you'll pay attention to them in the oven?
Where I will?
Yeah.
Why don't I just do it like right there?
Right where?
On the stove.
Griddle or in the oven? That's your choice.
Oven. Well, after dinner, we went swimming, we played cards. So that was my crazy, amazing, fun day in a life of kind of like a weekend and getting ready for an event. So, I mean, not an event, but like family time. So I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching. Can't wait. We are getting so close. Last thing, we're getting so close to this adventure that like I want to spill everything, but I can't. But it'll be worth it, I promise. Like maybe a month and a half, maybe a month or less left. See you soon.